आबाद रहो पुत्र आबाद रहो। गल है वे जितनी भी पंजाबियां दी यूथ है, I always suggest them, this is my advice to them, that they must first and foremostly focus on their studies. The first and foremost focus must be on studies. Whatever discipline they have chosen, they must completely focus on that. And everyone should have good, or rather, best grasp on their subject. So one if gets, command in his subject, then he could, be successful in his entire life in any field or in any, country. Secondly, I always suggest to the youth, Punjabi youth, that they must get command in writing and spoken English, because most of the students, what I have witnessed, they don't have command to express themselves, particularly in their spoken English. Their spoken English is not good. Some of them could write well, but majority can't speak well. So these two things, if they pay attention towards, then at the same time, whenever they find some opportunity, some leisure time, some spare time, they must utilize it by studying their own history, language, geography. I'm talking about own. My own means Punjabi literature, Punjab's history. Charity starts always at home. The irony with us is that our people, they study about rest of the world without giving a damn to their own region and own language and own nation. The native nation, because Pakistan is a federation, and it is consisted upon basic fundamental nations whose regions compose it as a country. In 1940s resolution, it is written over there. So all the rest of three nations and the fourth one which got rid of us, I'm talking about Bengalis, and these three, Sindhi, Baloch and Pashtun, they are well aware about, their youth is well aware about on history, literature and geography and everything. So when our youth get aware about their own these basic things, then they could have a notion about their own fundamental rights, economical rights, social rights, political rights. These all are the rights of our youth, as well as the other nations' youth. They demand for the same rights. But our youth, they always talk about the others' rights in a collective way, like they have always say demand for the right of Pakistani nation. So rest of the other three nations, they get leverage from it. This is our ignorance, because in Pakistan, when we don't talk about our own rights, so other nations, they blackmail us. They know that these people, they could be put on the back foot by talking about the breakage of Pakistan. So whenever they talk about this, the breaking of this federation, so we get feared, we get afraid of that, and we say, oh no, please don't break it up. I am ready to throw my seats, my jobs, my businesses for you. So please. And I myself, my kids, my youth, they go abroad for doing manual jobs, small jobs, and they work there for their entire life and send capital to their home, back to their home. And Punjab has been turned into Dubai and, Vilayat, Europe and America, and I mean the outside world. So they enjoy here. See the status of Pathans. They earn millions and billions of rupees in all businesses. And our youth, they are idle. So this is what I am talking about. You youth are the only hope of ours. I mean, not only Punjab but also the hope of Pakistani Federation, because Pakistani Federation could get strong when every nation understands their right, equal right, not more than the other rights, other constituent entities rights, nor less than those entities rights. So whatever rights are there, those should be the equal rights. No one is inferior, or no one is superior to others. So this is what I am talking about. So we have to get aware our youth first. That's why I started that group. I thought that my kids should know about their fundamental rights, and those rights are, if understood by my youth, they inshallah could bring a solid change. So you are welcome. You are all friends who could understand, who have a little bit notion about it, that what those rights are, who we are, why others claim themselves, why others take pride in their identity, like Sindhi identity, Baloch identity, Pashtun identity, and why Punjabi is afraid of and apologetic, or assume his own identity as a stigma. Why is it so? And why Punjab is the only region where people are ready to throw their every right and even their motherland before others, that okay, divide it, even not only in 300 parts, and other people laugh at us, and their blackmailing doesn't come to an end. So we have, blackmailers don't have any end. They carry on blackmailing you, even if you die. They even sell your dead body. So we have to stop it, and we could only stop it by getting aware. So that's why, my son, I always would love to welcome youth, and that youth, if you make them aware a little bit, see their aptitude, whether they themselves like to join us, okay, they are welcome. My doors are open. They are like my sons. So I would inshallah try to convey whatever I know. Thank you. Allah bless you. Jinde raho, abad raho, khush raho.